Hi, how are you all? I'm gonna make a 4 o'clock snack which is called Pazham Pori. If you go to restaurants, you can often see it's made out of ripe plantain. It's like a puffed plantain fried in coconut oil or any kind of oil. So let's start. I will show you step by step how to make the Pazham Pori. I have 2 ripe plantains. Okay, first we need to make the batter, so I'm going to add 1 cup of refined wheat flour. To this, a tablespoon of rice flour. Since the plantain is really ripe, I am just going to use 2 tablespoons of sugar. We want the batter to have some color, so instead of adding food color, I just going to use turmeric powder, which is 1/4 teaspoon. To taste a little bit better, adding 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I also wanted to add a pinch of salt. Right here I have 1 cup of water. Make sure the batter is thick enough. You don't want it to be too watery. So the batter is thick enough. Okay, first you remove the skin of the plantain. Then we're gonna cut this in half. Then if you like to make more, you can cut it into small pieces. Since this piece is pretty thick, I'm gonna slice it one more time. Out of that I can make 3 Pazham Pori. This way you can make more Pazham Pori and it will cook faster if you slice it a little bit thinner. So I have the sliced plantain here, the batter, half a cup of coconut oil. Usually people use a wok or something deeper. I'm going to use a regular frying pan. In order to find out if the oil is hot enough, first you can add the batter. Since this risened up to the top of the oil, we can start making Pazham Pori. Let's dip it. Drop it into the oil. If you are doing this for the first time, it's better to use a fork to drop the plantain into the hot oil. Otherwise you can fry your finger. So you can wait like 2-3 minutes and the one side is fried. When you see one side is fried, you can flip it just like that. The puffed plantains are ready if fully cooked. Now we can take it out of the oil. So it's better to have a drainer like this and leave a paper towel, and into this if you leave all the fried items, you can get rid of all the excess oil. As you can see, since I use too much flour, I ended up having more batter. So in case you don't want to waste the batter, what you can do is pour it into this oil and it will become a fluffy, like a fried pancake. Also, another way to find out if the bottom of the batter is cooked is the oil now is not bubbling. Is flip it over slowly, otherwise anybody can get burned. So our puffed plantain is ready. Next time when you go to South Indian restaurant, you can ask for Pazham Pori. You can see with the extra batter, this is what I did. So don't worry about the extra batter. In case you have it, you can make something that looks like a fried pancake or puri.